Downloading your account data from Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device or visit the Venmo website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. In the app, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. On the website, look for your profile icon. From there, navigate to the settings option. Step 3. Select privacy. Within the settings menu, find and select the privacy option. This section contains various settings related to your account's privacy and data. Step 4. Request your data. Look for an option that says download your data or request account data. Click on this option to initiate the process of downloading your account information. Step 5. Confirm your request. Follow the prompts to confirm your request for account data. You may receive an email or notification once your data is ready for download. Follow the instructions provided to access your data. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your account data from Venmo. If you have any issues, consider checking Venmo's Help Center for additional assistance.